Welcome back on the playlist titled Python Beginner Boost. And this is the fourth video playlist, and we will try to do some hands-on exercise in this playlist. So I will request you to watch the first three video in order to do the exercise part of this playlist and to understand the fourth video. So as you can see on the screen, I have written some code snippet in Python which is having some like using some operators and expressions, and we will need to guess the value of x what will be printed on the line number 8. So take your time to solve this problem. I will request you to pause here and try to solve in your mind, and also use your like code editor to find the output, and I will explain the code in some time. So I hope you are able to guess the output. Let me explain you what this line of codes are doing. So in line number 4, x is assigned the value 10. So x is equals to 10. Then if we go to line number 5, we are using an assignment operator, which basically means we want to add 5 to the value of x. So currently x is having 10 and we want to add 5 to it. So currently x is equals to 10, and then we want to add 5 to it. So x will become 15. So in line number 5, x will become 15. Let me comment it. Now the value of x is equal to 15. Now on the next line, which is line number 6, we are trying to like divide whatever value x is containing, we want to divide it by 2. So on this line, x is equals to 15 as we have calculated in the last line, and now we want to divide it by 2. So when we divide 15 by 2, it will become 7.5. So now x will contain 7.5. Now if we go to next line, we are trying to multiply 3 to whatever x is storing. So currently x is storing 7.5, and we are trying to multiply it with 3. So it will become approximately 22.5. So this will be the output which should be printed on the line number 8 according to my calculation. Let's see what will be the output. So let me uncomment the line number 8 and save the code, and now let's try to execute the code. So we are having python 3. After that we will write the name of the file exercise.py, and then we will press the enter key, and you will see 22.5 will be printed on the screen. As you can see, 22.5 is printed on the screen. So I hope you are able to understand how this code is working. Let me comment this part, and let's go to the second question or second exercise. Now let's move it to the second exercise. Here what is given, we need to guess the output of the code snippet. There are two variables, number 1 and number 2, and then there is third variable called result, and here we are doing some calculation. So I will give you a minute to solve the problem by your own, then I will explain it to you. I hope you are able to like solve it. Let me explain what this code is doing. So we already know number 1 is equals to 2, number 2 is equals to 5, and now we want to do find the result which will contain we need to like solve it. So let's do it. I am using comment part, and the value of number 1 is 10, then we are having percentile sign, and then number 2 is 5, then we are having plus the value of number 1. Number 1 is 10. So first of all, this part of code is executed, and the percentage sign is used to find the remainder of division. So when we divide 10 by 5, the remainder will be 0, and we need to add 0 with 10, which will give us 10. So this value will become equals to 10. So I guess that on line number 17, a 10 will be printed. Let me just uncomment the line and show it to you. So I will use the up arrow key to go to the last executed command, and will press enter, and you will see on screen 10 will be printed. As you can see, 10 is printed on the screen. Our code is working fine. I hope you also got the same result as mine. And if you want this code snippet, I will upload all the folders on my GitHub and will leave the link on the description below. Now there is third question where we are having the text values on the variables. So there are two variables, string 1 and string 2, and we are having the values hello and world respectively. And there is one more variable called result, which is trying to add the str1 and str2 and also appending or adding some space in between them. So try to guess what will be the output of this code, and I will explain you in some time. I hope you are able to guess the output. Please comment the output on the comment box and let me explain it. So here, let's try to do the same way. So str1 will be hello, then we are using plus, and then here we are having some space, and then we are doing world. So in Python, when we try to add strings or tags, then they are concatenated. What I mean by concatenated, it means the text or the values will be joined. So now it will become hello, and as you can see, there we are trying to join a string which is holding space, so it will also be there, and then world will be added. And if we try to print the output by uncommenting this line, then you will see hello world be printed, and I hope you are also getting the same output or you are able to guess the correct output. Let me try to execute this part. As you can see, hello space world is printed on the screen. Now let's try to go to the next question and execute this. What is the value of the variable y after the following code is executed? So this is the last question which I am explaining to you, and there is one more question which is a assignment, and I would like you to post the output of this calculation or this script on your social media channel and tag me so I can like comment if it is correct or not. So let's solve the fourth problem, which is what is the value of the variable y after the following code is executed. So here we are having some variables, the same thing, but we need to calculate it. So I will give you some time to calculate and then I will explain it to you. So I hope you are able to do that. Let me explain what this code is doing. So in the line number 35, we are having y which is assigned the value of 10. So currently the value of y is 10. Now in line number 36, what we are doing is we want to multiply 10 with the value of y with 2. So currently y is storing 10. So 10 into 2, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. Then we are adding 1 to it, which is 21. Let me write the part here. So y will be equals to, replace the y with the value, so 10, then multiply by 2, then plus 1. So it will become, we just need to use the BODMAS which we have learned in school. First of all, we will open the brackets, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So here there is a multiplication symbol, so we will multiply both the numbers, 10 into 2 which is 20, then we are adding 1 to it, which is 21. Now on the next line, we are trying to divide whatever is contained in the variable y. So currently variable y is storing 21 and we need to divide 21 by 3. So it will become 21 divided by 3, which is equals to 7. And on the next line, we are subtracting whatever the value y is having, we need to subtract 3 from it. So 7 minus 3, it will become 4. And let's print it. So I hope you are also getting the value y. Let me just execute the code and show it to you. Let's see if we are getting the value 4. As you can see, the value is printed on us 4.0, which is a floating point number. And if any one of you know the reason why 4.0 is printed on the console, then or in the terminal, then please comment it in the comment box below. Now the next question, which is assignment, I would like to you to solve this and comment the output on the comment box below or share it in your social media handles and tag me so I can give you the correct answer. If it is wrong, I will help you with understanding it, and if it is correct, then I will congratulate you. So that's it in this video. I hope you are able to understand whatever code I have explained. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and please learn in public. So if any recruiter is like searching for Python developer, then they can like see what you know and they might offer you a job. So learn in public, share with your friends. Thank you very much. And in the next video, we will start learning about control flow statements. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much.